Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a cover letter on Indeed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page from which you can browse through the various different jobs that are available. Now, in order to write a cover letter, click on Job Seekers and then tap on Resume. You will now see the resume that you have uploaded to your profile, and if you don't have one already, you can also proceed with uploading your resume. Now, once you have uploaded your resume, click on the three dots at the right side of your resume and you will find the option to convert your Indeed resume. You can also tap on Update Saved Information in order to make any changes. However, the best option is to click on Convert to Indeed Resume. You will then find the Convert button, which you can click on, and the Indeed application will begin converting your resume into an Indeed resume. Once it is done, you can tap on Review Your Resume to check for mistakes. After verifying all of your personal details, click on the Continue button and make sure that all of your information is correct. Once all of your resume information has been verified, you can scroll down and tap on Add More Sections. From there, tap on Additional Information and you can create your cover letter within this section. Go ahead and enter your cover letter catering to the kind of job that you are looking for. Once you have typed in your entire letter, click on the Save button and this will be added as your cover letter section within your Indeed resume right away. Once it has been added, you can click on Save and Exit, which will now add your cover letter section into your Indeed resume right away. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to add cover letter into your Indeed resume. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.